Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a clip in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply open a channel, and let's say that I'm watching Thais right now. Now here I can just simply click here next to the theater mode. It's like a clip. Click on it, and like the next thing will appear. Now right here I can choose the timestamp. I can have only 60 seconds, so you can like choose 60 seconds from the video, and you see like the whole yellow line will be the line which will be in your clip. So let's say that I want to like last, I don't know, 8 seconds, and I'll just dice publish, and right now it's publishing. So where you can find your clip, this is another question. Go here to right top corner to your name, then click here to video producer, and right here you're gonna see content and clips, and right here you can say your clip. You can delete it, you can share it, or you can just share the URL and just open the URL, and voila, here you got it. So this is how you can simply create a clip, and then also how you can find it. Yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.